Alright, so Chris Somerville Mobile Mechanic, back with you this St. Patrick's Day, working on the Grand National. So we are looking at the customer stay no start on this Grand National. Well, in doing so, I have noticed, number one, dead battery. So got the jumper cables out. I'm hooking them up now to my no-code jump box. Gonna get that hooked up real quick. Alright, we got that hooked up, got that powered on. But what I did notice was we come back here and all of these are disconnected. So we're going to plug them back in real quick, and we're going to see if we can get this to start. I have a feeling that this is going to get this beast roaring for us. So let's see what happens. Alrighty, we jumping in her now. Alright, well, we got lights on the inside, so that's a good sign. Let's turn the key and see what happens. Oh, and she's purring. Baby's roaring now. Ooh. Yeah, she's running. Ooh, she's smoking too. Look at all that. Ooh. But do something about that. But we're on to a good start. Got the car started. Cloud of smoke in the air. But hey, it's a beautiful day when you can get it at least running. Somerville Mobile Mechanic here, Somerville Mobile Mechanic out. Till the next one.